Hey everybody, it's Kelly Hernandez. So, like I said in steps 3 and 4, this is the next step, step 5, creating that thumbnail and what website I use to upload a picture and remove the background from the picture I have uploaded. I'm going to share that website with you, so let's get right on in it. I'm going to go to my internet browser. Like we stopped in the last video, I went to www.remove.bg upload. It's actually www.removebg.com. I went into my files in my computer. I selected a picture. So let's talk about what people look for, what I've read, what type of facial expressions you should show while uploading a thumbnail. A lot of professionals have said do either a sad-faced, an angry-faced, a worried-faced, you're really excited. So those are just examples of what types of expressions you can do. Here I was just being random, so this is why I chose this photo. Then you press edit, and then it's going to give you all the type of backgrounds that removebg.com offers for you. So for example, you can choose, let's choose this really nice, pretty space one. So then you're going to download it. So let's say we downloaded it. All right. So we downloaded that. You can either take this picture and you can go to your Microsoft Word. You can insert the picture here and use the fonts here in your Microsoft Word. Insert the wording you want for that thumbnail. You can also do insert photo or even go to google.com and get a little icon photo. So you can see here I saved it. I put it in here. I saved it into my computer file. So I'm going to go here. Let's go back to our YouTube channel. And if you keep scrolling down in your edit of your video that you uploaded, you can see this section where it says thumbnail. Select or upload a picture that shows what's in your video. A good thumbnail stands out and draws viewers for attention. So I chose this one and I uploaded it. So when you go scroll through my photos, my videos, you're going to see this thumbnail, and so you already have an idea what my video will be about. Okay, so that is the end of step 5 for today. I know it's really short, but I rather have at least one of the steps, not all of them together, because I know it's rather too much to absorb. So this is step 5 about the thumbnail. As you can see, like I said in my last video, I'm gonna fix this. And you see how I added removing background from thumbnail. I'm here I'm helping the viewer so they can know which website I went to remove that background from my photo, and I put the URL link right here. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you guys, and I'll be uploading steps 6 and 7 most likely tomorrow. And those will probably be about the editing software, and those will be divided into multiple steps because that part is quite a lot goes into it. So thank you for watching, and this is Kelly Hernandez. Have a good day.